students, 15th October is celebrated as World Students' Day to honor Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. On his birthday, that is 15th October, United Nations has decided to celebrate this day as World Students' Day. Actually, it was expected that all students and Thai and Dadas will be in Vidyalaya and we will be enjoying on this day, and all Thai and Dadas will be telling some stories or some dance or music, and thus we wanted to enjoy this day. But due to pandemic, we could not do that. That's why we decided to celebrate this day in online mode. To celebrate this day, all Thai and Dadas have prepared something for you in video format. You just enjoy these videos. The feelings of all Thai and Dadas about you are in these videos. So please enjoy all these videos. Not only that, I hope that soon the situation will be clear, the pandemic will get over, and all students will come back to school to play on the playground, to enjoy the music, to dance in dance room, and to do masti with all your friends, and to study, of course, to study us. So once again, I wish all of you happy Students' Day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Dear children of class 1 and 2, it is a pleasure to be with you. When I see your audio clips and video clips, there is a smile on my face, and I enjoy looking at all of you during the Zoom sessions. Thank you very much. Love you a lot. Hari Om.
Hari Om, all my dear lovely children. It's Kamal Taib, and today I want to share something with you that, do you know, my true success will be seeing you in the better position, and I'm wishing you for the best wishes for your bright future, and I believe in you. You are so important for me, like all students are important in the teacher's life, and on this occasion, on the Students' Day occasion, I'm wishing you all the very best for your bright future, and happy Students' Day to all my dear children. Hari Om, all my dear children, and God always bless you. Keep smiling like our motto. Okay, be happy always. Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om, dear students, this is Aarti Tai and wishing you a happy Students' Day. Today we celebrate you. You are the reason we love what we do, teach. Know that you are wonderful, special, unique, important, smart and loved. That's why I want to celebrate all your accomplishment. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for never giving up. Thank you for the fun moments in the class, and thank you for pushing me to be the best teacher I can be. Once again, a happy Students' Day, and I am proud of you. Hari Om.
Dear children, wishing you a happy Students' Day. Dear student, enjoy your life as a student because it is the best time of your life. So work hard and work smart too with the right focus. Then you will see that goals are not impossible to achieve. I wish a very bright future you all have. So let's spread love and wish all students a very happy World Students' Day. Hari Om.
Hooray, hurrah, a happy, happy Students' Day. Hooray, hurrah, a happy, happy Students' Day. A very happy Students' Day to you. From Thais and Dadas and very, very loving eye. From Thais and Dadas and very, very loving eye. Good luck and happiness is what I wish for you. Good luck and happiness is what I wish for you. Keep happy, keep loving, keep always smiling. Keep happy, keep loving, keep always smiling. A very big God bless you. Keep happy, keep loving, keep always smiling. Keep happy, keep loving, keep always smiling. A very big God bless you. A very big God bless you. Hari Om.
Dear student, and it's your Vasundhara and wish you happy student day. You are my precious student. You are lovely, talented and best student. You are having support of your parents, brother, sister, friends and me, your teacher. I love you so much and wish you all the best. Hari Om.
Hari Om, dear children. Happy Student Day to all dear students. Today Shadada is here with one joke. I hope you will like it. Once there was an old man who has only 8 hairs on his head. He went to the barber shop. The barber angrily asked, "Shall I count it or cut it?" Then the old man smiled and he replied, "Please color it." So the kids' life is to enjoy with whatever breath you have. Always smile. Keep on smiling. Okay, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Hari Om, dear children. Today I want to tell you about two unique plants, lotus and cactus. Both are lovely creations of God and have distinct features. But we all know a lotus that grows in water will not grow in the desert. Similarly, the cactus that grows in the desert will not grow in the water. So what I want to tell you is that each one of you is unique and special in your own way. So do not compare yourselves with anyone. Respect yourselves, work hard and success will follow you. Wish you a very, very happy Students' Day and I love you all. Hari Om.
Hari Om student, wish you happy Students' Day to all of you. We all are missing you a lot. Every day we come to school and it feels like going to a garden without a flower. What happened? It was gone. Hello. Back. Am I audible? Okay, now I am back. Okay, it happens many times. Sometimes for some students and every time for some students too. Anyway, we still love every one of you the way you are. Once again, the happy Students' Day to all of you. Hari Om. Bye.
हरिओम बच्चों, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि भारत के राष्ट्रपति रह चुके श्री अब्दुल कलाम जी के जन्म दिवस पर मनाते हैं छात्र दिवस। और इस दिवस पर आपको शुभकामनाएं देते हुए मुझे यही गाना याद आ रहा है कि रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के।
हरिओम बच्चों, यदि आप उड़ नहीं सकते तो दौड़िए, यदि आप दौड़ भी नहीं सकते तो चलिए, यदि आप चल भी नहीं सकते तो रेंगिए, लेकिन आगे बढ़ते रहिए। यस बच्चों, तो आज के दिन नंदकिशोर दादा की तरफ से हैप्पी स्टूडेंट डे। तो बच्चों, आज के दिन एक संकल्प करिए, तो हर दिन आपको 1 घंटा रीडिंग करना है। प्रॉमिस एवरीवन? ओके, गुड। सो वंस अगेन हैप्पी स्टूडेंट डे एवरीवन। थैंक यू एंड हरि ओम टू ऑल।
Hari Om.
I am a gardener. I have beautiful set of flowers in my basket. Each one different. One has fragrance emitting. The others have beautiful colors, shapes, sizes. They're all different. They all are ready to blossom and spread sheer joy and fragrance to the world. I love them all. I love tending them. I love looking after them. And when they lift my basket, I am proud and have pride in them. Hari Om.
शुद्धोऽसि बुद्धोऽसि निरञ्जनोऽसि संसार माया परिवर्जितोऽसि संसार स्वप्नं त्यज मोहनिद्रां मदालसोल्लापमुवाच पुत्रं मदालसोल्लापमुवाच पुत्रं मदालसोल्लापमुवाच पुत्रम्
Hari Om students, I am Tejaswini Dhage, your science teacher. I wish you very happy Students' Day. I am proud that I have got the chance to teach you. You are very brave and active. Always keep this spirit up. I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Get a success in your life. This will be the best gift for me. Thank you. Hari Om.
क्या हाल है भाई लोग? क्या हाल है? ठीक है, और तू बता क्या हाल है भाई लोग? क्या हाल है? क्या बोलती है स्कूल की पब्लिक? क्लास वाले सब खुश हैं। अरे नालायको, तुम लोग चुप नहीं हो सकते हो। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में भी बकवास कर रहे हो। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग। सभी लोग चुप हो जाओ और जो मैं पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ वो ध्यान से सभी लोग पढ़ेंगे और कोई बीच में बकवास नहीं करेगा। आज मैं आप लोगों को मानव सुरक्षा के बारे में पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ। पहले हम सामाजिक सुरक्षा के बारे में चर्चा करते हैं। हमें यह जान लेना चाहिए कि सामाजिक सुरक्षा का सही अर्थ क्या है, किस प्रकार की सेवाएं उपलब्ध कराई जाती हैं। चल मोनू तू बता, मैं अभी क्या बता रहा था, किस विषय में पढ़ा रहा था? क्या हुआ? तेरा नेट बंद हो गया? सर्वर इधर आ गया? नेट की प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारे यहाँ बहुत आती है, लग रहा है हैंग हो गया। बाकी सब तो हिल रहा है सिवाय तेरे। मुझे तो नहीं लग रहा है कि नेट की प्रॉब्लम है। बेवकूफ बना रहा है तू। नहीं सर नहीं, नेट चल रहा है। अब चल गया नेट, वो 2 मिनट के लिए कट गया था। चल हाँ, अब बता अभी मैं क्या समझा रहा था? फिर से चला गया नेट? इस बार लग रहा है सच में चला गया है इसका नेट। मनुआ रे
समोसा खाई? मनुआ लगता है नहीं खाई, सुना ही नहीं दे रहा। ठीक है, जब खाना होगा तो आ ही जाना।
नहीं खाई, हम खाई, खाई।
So, as a student, it is very important to remember that laziness is your worst enemy and hard work is your best friend. So do work hard and happy Students' Day.
Hey, we are alright. Hari Om guys. My name is Honey and he is my friend. My friend's name is Bunny. Bunny, say hi to everyone. Hi. By the way, what are you doing? I'm searching the dates of Students' Day in this. Students' Day is today, Bunny. What are you saying? Today? What is this? Okay, do you want to give any address to our students? Because all students are watching us online. Wow! Students on each step we are learning. So just be students always. So finally, from Honey and Bunny, Happy Students' Day to all of you, all my students. Happy Students' Day.
Hari Om. Today we are here to share memories about our great president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was not only the president of India, he was also a great scientist. And one best thing, he used to love students. He has visited many schools during his tenure as a president. And today we are celebrating Students' Day. So let's remember a few things about our loving president. He was not only a great scientist, but there were certain qualities because of which he was known. Some of the qualities for which he was known was he was one of the most inspiring president of India. He was the most inspiring leader. He was a very simple and down-to-earth person. Point number 2. And one more quality which we have seen in our president, that he used to dream high. His dreams were. One of the famous quote of Dr. Abdul Kalam was about dream. Most of you must be knowing that. I would like to highlight that today. Okay? He used to say that dreams are not those which you see while you are sleeping. Dreams are those which do not allow you to sleep. How beautiful, right? He was a very simple person, simple living and high thinking. I would also like to quote here today one of his very famous tour of Europe Parliament. In 2007, Dr. Abdul Kalam ji has represented India to the European Parliament. And these famous words you must have heard. He said, where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. Where there is beauty in the character, there is harmony at home. Where there is harmony in the home, there is an order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. So student, let us all remember Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam today on the Student Day, and hope all of you will take at least 1 or 2 qualities from Dr. Sir. Hari Om, thank you.